Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. Uh, my name is Nur Alam. Welcome back to English Habit. So, today I am going to talk about uh, my 31-day English learning journey. So, this topic is very important because here my all emotion, here my all excitement because today's 31 days completed consistency me. Okay, so let's go start. Let's get started our main topic. So first of all, I tell my first day journey. Okay, 31 days ago, uh, before month 26 date, I started my English learning journey, but I understand no English. I cannot speak. I cannot in front of camera video make. Okay, all everything cannot. Very shyness, very afraid. Okay, but day by day improve, day by day practice, day by day consistency. Today's I am here. Okay, so actually I am very lucky person because uh, when uh, any habit 31 days consistency not, but this challenge my English learning journey 31 days consistency my habit. Okay, so this is my power, consistency. So that's why I am here. I believe that inshallah I will be success and I will be a fluent speaker because if you consistency make, inshallah you will be success. So that's why I am very proud. 31 days completed my English learning journey. So first time cannot speak short sentence, long sentence, any vocabulary cannot something, but day by day improve. Today I am here, day by day consistency, day by day habit, I am here. So if you are a beginner learner, you cannot afraid, you cannot, you just again try, you just again try, inshallah you will be success. Okay, but 31 days today I am already 82 video make in front of camera, but first day not make video in front of camera because I cannot speak, I cannot any talk, I cannot how to learn English. Okay, but today's 31 days my life small exchange I see. So I am very pleasure. I am very excited today's because 31 days completed my English learning journey because my challenge 3 month 90-day challenge. So I hope inshallah my challenge completed will be uh, so daily I am practicing daily every day, only one single day not practice, everyday practice. I okay, and every day minimum 2-3 video make in front of camera, as you can see. Okay, so this is my big essence. Every day in front of camera speak and record my voice and record my speak. Okay, so that is my essence, that is my habit. So if you are a beginner learner, only just one habit make your life, only just one habit make your life, inshallah your life very soon improve. You see, just believe it and just try your best, inshallah you will be success. So today's I am very uh, excited, that's why I cannot speak, but always I am trying my best, inshallah I'll be success. So I want to just only one things, tell again, please don't your perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. So keep learning, keep practicing every day, and consistent and never give up. I hope guys you learn in this video, inshallah next video see you soon, and watching this video thank you so much. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.